Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a QR code for your Etsy shop. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you've not already. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from which we can get started. In the upper right corner, what you want to do first is go ahead and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you don't have one, just create an account, and if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. This is going to be your main page from which you can go ahead and manage your Etsy store. You can find products you want to buy and so on, and now we can get started. So let's say you have a store of yours that you want to make a QR code for. So when people scan the QR code, they're going to be able to access your store and so on. Basically, this is what we can do. What you want to do is open up your store first. So here we have our store that you can go ahead and open up by opening up the store section right here. Currently, I don't have a store, so let's say this is my store right here. And once I have opened it up here, I'm going to have a URL at the top of the screen. This is the link that we want to use. So next things, what you want to do is go ahead and find the website that's going to enable you to make a QR code. You have a QR code generated for free. If you go and search this on Google, you can find a website like this one that's going to enable you to create any QR code that you want. So what we're going to do is to link to any website URL, select that option, and then we're going to go and use this option right here. So we're going to copy the URL code right here from the top of the screen, copy that code and paste it right here. By pasting it, you're going to go and be able to proceed with the steps and create your QR code that you can then print. You can go ahead and share wherever you want, that people will be able to scan and open up your website, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So again, thanks for watching, take care and bye.